Today in this video, I'm going to explain how to add follow button on Facebook account. Open the Facebook app. Now click on top right profile icon. Then scroll down and click on settings and privacy. Then click on settings. Now go to audience and visibility. Then click on how people find and contact. Now select who can send you friend request. Then change it as friends or friends. Then go to back and click on post. Then click on you can see your future post. Then change it as public. Then go to back. Then click on followers and public content, then change it as public. Now go to main menu, then click on your profile name, then click on three dots beside edit profile. Now click on view as, here check the follow button. By following the steps, you can add follow button on Facebook account.
This video helped you out, please leave a like and comment down below. If this worked for you, thanks for watching.